Yeah,
Hello
sure.
everyone, I'm Deepti from first year chemical engineering and my friend Kushala. We both are going to host today's party. I warmly welcome you all to the retirement party of our beloved principal sir, Professor R. Shamsundar Garu. Good evening everyone. Today we are here to show our gratitude to sir and give a memorable day. Now let us start the program with a prayer song by Kranti. Over to you Kranti.
Thank you, Deepti. Hello, everyone. This is Kranti Venala from Food Technology first year. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma. तस्मै गुरवे नमः गुरवे शारहार धवला शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापः. Thank you all.
Thank you, Kranti. Let us get into. I want to say a few words about retirement life. How a good day. Sir is getting into the second phase of life, that is retirement phase. Retirement is a permanent weekend. Life after retirement is like the second innings of life. Reward yourself with a great and joyous vacation that you always craved for. Enjoy your freedom and unlimited weekend. Retirement is when you stop living at work and start working at living. We hope you will enjoy every moment of this next phase of your life, sir. May your retirement life be the best part of your life. Sir, we heard many good words about you. We got to know that you helped our ESL a lot and encouraged students a lot and took part in the improvement of the college. Thank you for everything, sir. Wishing you a life full of success and happiness. A very happy retirement, sir. Welcome you to the real life. This is the day of celebration, not only for all you have accomplished, but also for the possibilities that are unfolding before you. Now, I would like to listen words from our friends. Over to you, Supraja.
Thank you, Deepti. I am Supraja from Chemical Engineering first year student. It's a great pleasure to talk about the home of innovative thoughts, eCell. This is the platform where one can express their thoughts without fear. Today, many of us are from eCell family. The idea to create such a platform was Shravan Sir's, and this idea was trusted and supported by our beloved principal, Professor R. Shamsundar Garu. Whenever we, the juniors, ask our seniors about the role of principal sir in the development of eCell, these are the only words comes from them. That is constant support, freedom, encouraging. What can we expect more than this from a principal? Thank you, sir. Over to you, Nivedita.
Yeah, thank you, Spurti. Hello, my name is Nivedita and I am from Chemical Engineering first year. In ESL, we never complain or judge anyone. Instead, we respect each other. We feel like we all are together and we give space to their personal happiness. I want to share my personal experience in ESL. I have joined in three projects, that is Python programming, digital marketing and organizing committee. It's been weeks since, and I have improved a lot of skills and gained confidence to speak in front of everyone. And it's possible because of our principal sir's encouragement. Our principal sir not only built our dreams, but also he built our character, confidence, and creativity. We are really blessed to show our gratitude towards you, sir, and we wish you a very happy retirement day, sir. Thank you. Now, Vinayanna from fourth year will talk about their journey with our beloved principal, sir. Over to you, Vinayanna.
Yes. Thank you, Nivedita. Good evening, Principal Sir. I can't believe 4 years are done under your leadership. I am happy for everything you have done for us. I should be grateful for every approval you have given us and every appreciation you have showered on us. You are the best principal I have ever had in my life, who is friendly, approachable, dynamic, caring, and most importantly, respecting students and their thoughts. After seeing you, I have changed my perspective on government college and all the professors. Like, you are industrious and who comes to college daily on time by traveling almost 1.5 to 2 hours journey from your home, and also you involve in every activity with 100% of presence. Also, you always want to give the best for students and make UCT proud by investing time and efforts in many ideas, and the list goes on. That very sentence still inspires me when you told, I hardly don't remember a day when I woke up after 6 a.m. That has become my part of daily routine. Like that sentence inspired me a lot. Though you have accomplished numerous things, the way you still remember your senior who gave you space in his hostel room is quite appreciable. Let me see if I can share my screen. I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes. So this is like I try to put our timeline of memorable journey with Professor R. Shamsunder sir. So like if we go from the starting, like that was the moment when you inspired us by telling the bigger scope we have in college by the most costly STEM equipment, and uh, that was the inspiring moment and the confident that has given us when you handed over us the ESL keys, and the moment when you gave us the blackboard to keep notices of every ESL meeting that kept the college excited every day about ESL, and the Saturday classes which we have started for English and computer for the students, and the way you appreciated me and Nikhil by gifting us costly pens in your cabin for Rotaract tree plantation program. Hope you remember that. And the happiness we have created together by conducting and hosting the first ever parent student teacher meeting in our seminar hall. And every inspiring speech of you in Independence Days and Republic Days, like they are unique and inspiring. And all your memorable birthdays we have celebrated in ESL. And the moment when we gave a gift to you, like with the name acronym gift of your name, and the moment when we have gifted you like our small token of gratitude in the form of glass thank you note, and also the amazing long speeches in Balata Madam meet, parents meet, B. N. Ramesh sir meet, and the list goes on. Also, the approval you have given us for the New Year celebrations for the Kickstarter event of Sahas, and the parents meet photo frame we have given you in the cabin. Like that was the one of the best moments, and also you have permitted us to do art of living course like never before in the college center corridor, and that has made us to grow a lot. Also, our proud book launches in our AGM meetings by Chief Justice, Women's Edition book and Entrepreneurs Edition book, and the moment when you have opened and renovated the labs, which is a revolutionary thing ever done, and the moment you made every girl in UCT happier by approving washroom renovation and making them a hygienic place. The responsibility you have taken up to see our classrooms are waterproof and invested money on them by listening to our concerns. The inspiring moment of the launch of Pro2 book recently in your cabin, and the proud moment to see every professor handing over our book. The appreciation shower you have given us on the day of virtual parents meet and our story presentations in the lockdown. Wow, many beautiful moments, and the list goes on. So our journey with you was quite memorable and inspiring. You have made the scary principal cabin more approachable and student friendly. You have given us the costliest gift every student deserves, for the freedom to explore and learn. Even when it is a day when you are sick and couldn't come to college, the respect and the orderliness we see in the college, even in your absence, is so inspiring. You have given us so much. We are finding ways to thank you and show our gratefulness to you, and we hope this party would give you a chance to recollect what all you have done for us and the way you have become an idol of inspiration in every student's mind. Thank you once again.
Thank you, friends, for your wonderful words. Let us see the small video of some memories of school. Over to you, Deepak. That's a beautiful video. Very good memories. Thank you, Deepak. Friends, are you not excited to know about Sir? Here we go. Let me give a brief description of our beloved principal, Sir. Sir is from a village named Narsingbatla, completed intermediate from Devarkonda, and has stepped into OUCT for pursuing BTech, MTech, and PhD. It is very good to hear that Sir studied and is going to get retired from OUCT with great accomplishments, awards, and many more. Sir has a total of 34-year experience, 23 years of teaching and research, plus 11 years of industrial experience. Sir entered as a student into OUCT and worked as associate professor, dean faculty of technology and pharmacy, and many other positions. Sir has membership in IICHE, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineering, ISCA, Indian Science Congress Association, IEI, Institute of Engineers, received 50 awards as research guidance for MTech and pharmacy students, and also received many incentives, rewards, and recognitions. Also, co-author of Heat Transfer for Drug Technology, Unit Operations 1 chapter, which was published in 2003 by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Open University, Hyderabad. Also, member in many academic and administrative committees, conducted many seminars, workshops, conferences, and many, many more. Friends, are you not blown away? I am blown away with your biodata, sir. This is just a small description. Oh my God, it really takes hours to tell and pages to write. I got inspired very much by going through your biodata, sir. I think it is also the same with my friends. We are blessed to have a good person like you, sir. Thank you. Now, I would like my friend Kushala to continue the program. Over to you, Kushala.
Thank you, Deepthi. We have known about Sir in words till now, but now I would like to hear a beautiful poem by our dearest senior Lidvija Akka. Over to you, Akka.
Thank you, Kushala. Greetings to all the dignitaries and my beloved friends. I'm Lidvija, pursuing third year chemical engineering. Thank you to the organizing committee for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and this is for our perfect principal. He's a man with absolute vision whose teaching ensures precision. His ideology behind every decision paves a path towards better nation. Yes, he is our perfect principal. It's our pride to felicitate our beloved principal. It's our pleasure to thank our ideal principal. It's our gladness to embrace this delightful moment for our perfect principal. Sir, the valuable time that you spend for us, the incredible support that you give for us, the eternal knowledge that you pass on to us, the unseen efforts that you put for us, all are immeasurable. Your comments and compliments are our blessings and wishes. Your support and efforts are our guidance and encouragement. In spite of all the biggest achievements that you have pursued, your kindness and willingness to help us in all the way possible is something which we cherish for ever and ever. You are our beloved professor, you are our beloved principal, and we are sure you are a great son, a great husband, a great father, a great friend, and whatnot. You are an inspiration. At this moment, we are not sure how can we be more grateful to you. All we can say is a huge thanks to you, sir, for all the million little things that you turned out into our biggest asset. Thank you, sir. Over to you, Nikhilanna.
Hats off, Akka. It's really a great one. Thank you, Akka. Now I would like to hear a few words from our seniors. Nikhilanna, over to you.
Hi everyone, hope I am audible. So I just thought to add how we have been learning things from every decision principal sir has been doing. I still remember the day when we have been given a direct entry pass, ESL entry pass to the principal's room. We know how difficult it is to get 2-minute appointment of you in college. Many people keep waiting for a single sign. Believing in the power of ESL idea, you took a decision to make sure we spend time on learning together and not on spending time for waiting. I guess we still remember about this at least once in every discussion. We are very grateful for you, sir. You are a great leader who can see future and take decisions, and with your communication skills, you deliver them very well. We have learned many leadership skills from you. We are with no words, actually, and we are searching for the new words for thanking. And for now, thanks a lot for everything.
Over to you, Triveni Akka.
Thank you, Kushala. Yeah, good evening, everyone. And thank you so much, our beloved principal, sir. You have been our constant support for our result. We felt happy when you talked and appreciated our activities in the meetings in front of whole college. And those were very cheering moments to us. And giving a room solely for students' activities, we do not think this kind of thing has never happened in state government, university, or college. Thank you so much, sir, for believing in us during our initial times of growth. We felt really happy that when you appreciated the way we plan, execute, and organize the every meeting. And you gave permissions and approved our proposals and made it easier and smoother to do everything official. It is official because the highest body of the college, like principal, you approved us. And apart from all this, sir, you are an excellent teacher. You take effort to make us understand the concepts very clearly. We like the way you take pain to make every fundamental strong in heat transfer subject. My juniors are going to miss you. Sir, thank you once again for everything that you have done for us. We wish happy post-retirement life. I also thank organizers for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, seniors, for your words. Now let us have a look at another video. Deepak, play the video.
Hello sir, I am Vinay Kumar from 4th year Chemical Engineering. I wish you all the very best for your second innings. I have grown so much just by seeing your leadership all through these 4 years. I want to thank you for inspiring us and also for being the perfect principal in every moment. I still remember the day ESL keys were handed over to us. That has boosted our confidence tremendously with the support you have given us. Also, the every appreciation you have given us and the every approval you have given for ESL means a lot to us and also made us more and more responsible. Thank you so much for inspiring us, and I wish all your coming years be filled with joy and happiness. Thank you.
Hello sir, happy retirement. Thank you for all the support and encouragement. We are very lucky to have you, sir. You are very kind, patient and very helpful. We are very much inspired by you. We will miss you very badly, sir. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am Sindhuja from Food Technology second year. First of all, I am thankful for your guidance and making us to walk in a correct path. And also I am so grateful for your support that you have given for the ESL. And I hope to have you a happiest and healthiest, satisfied life further. Thank you sir.
Thank you sir for your unwavering support. We are grateful to you for the freedom which you have given us. It has helped us explore many new things and learn a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you sir for being more responsible on behalf of the college, and also a sincere heartfelt thanks to you for your constant support and encouragement to the student accomplishments.
Our principal Shamsundar sir is a very nice person. He always thinks about students and how to support them. I love listening to his classes. His HT classes were the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sai Brahmarambika of Textile Technology second year. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Shyam Sundar Garu, Principal of Usmania University College of Technology. Thank you sir for believing in our idea in the initial days and giving us a room in the college for ESL. Thank you for your continuous support and motivation to us. You have encouraged us a lot in the college. Happy retirement.
Hello sir, I am Tejasri from Textile Technology. We are so grateful for your support. You are being always believing in us and making such a great things to happen. Your support is the best thing that we have got for ESL. Thank you so much. Hope all your days will be fruitful and happy.
Okay sir, thank you for being a big support. Advanced happy birthday. Hope you celebrate many more such happy birthdays. I always get amazed seeing your energy, and the first word which comes into my mind when I remember you is leader. We learned a lot from you sir. Thanks for everything.
Hello sir, I am Pavani, third year Food Technology, and you supported us in a big way sir. Like whenever we had a problem, you would easily approach you and he provides us a better solution every time. And I think we really gonna miss you, sir. And congratulations, sir. You're gonna start your second innings of your life. And like time has come to spend your rest of life with your family and friends. And I hope you have a happy life ahead, sir. We really gonna miss you.
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Honorable Principal Sir, respected dignitaries and my dear friends. I am Srivani from second year Chemical Engineering. As we all know, our Principal Sir's superannuation date is not too far. I would like to thank our Principal Sir for being responsible for the smooth running of the college. Sir, the contribution for College of Technology, Osmania University is definitely like an ocean, sir. I am grateful to you, sir, for being a constant support and giving us a lot of encouragement for whatever initiative we take. All the students of UCT are really very grateful and we are actually fortunate to have you, sir. Your constant hours of work and dedication have definitely made a change in the growth of staff and also in the making of the students. Thank you for all this, sir. You have stood beside us in all the times. You stood as a mentor while guiding us, as a teacher while teaching us, as a doctor when we are in support, and also as an officer in serious times. All these characteristics made you stand out, sir. Your activities and your thinking have made us to dream more, do more, learn more, make more, and also become more, sir. Thank you for all this. Once again, all the students of UCT are grateful to you, sir. I request you to kindly accept this. Thank you from us.
Hello sir, I am Lidvija, presently pursuing third year Chemical Engineering. Before I wish you on your second innings of your life, let me congratulate on your first innings. I am very much passionate about your teaching style. We, the students, always feel grateful for all the unconditional support that you have been providing for all of us. A big thanks to you, sir. We wish happiness along with good health and prosperity to our ever energetic, young and dynamic Professor R. Shamsundar Garu.
నమస్తే శ్యామ్ సార్, పదవి విరమణ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాము. ముఖ్యంగా మీరు మాకు ఒక రోల్ మోడల్ గా ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఆ విషయము ఈ సమయంలో చెప్పదలుచుకున్నాను. మాకు దగ్గరుండి ఆది దంపతుల్లాగా మా యొక్క వివాహం జరిపించిండ్రు మీరు ఒక పెద్దన్నలాగా. అదేవిధంగా ఆ రోజు నుంచి మిమ్మల్ని గమనిస్తున్నాను. అప్పటి నుంచి మీరు మీ యొక్క కుటుంబ సభ్యులైనటువంటి తమ్ముళ్లను, చెల్లెళ్లను ఒక స్థాయికి తీసుకురావడానికి ఎంతో కృషి చేశారు. అదేవిధంగా మీరు మీ తల్లిదండ్రులను ఎంతో బాధ్యతాయుతంగా వాళ్లను ఒక చూసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అది చాలా నచ్చింది మీలో మంచి గుణము. సమాజానికి కూడా ఎంతో కూడా సహాయ సహకారాలు అందిస్తున్నారు. అవన్నీ కూడా నాకు చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించినాయి. అందుకొరికి ఈ యొక్క సమయంలో చెప్పడం జరిగింది. మీ యొక్క రిటైర్మెంట్ చేసే జీవితాన్ని హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
శ్యామ్ గారు, హ్యాపీ రిటైర్మెంట్ లైఫ్.
Sir, we have a little surprise for you.
మీ పదవి విరమణ సందర్భంగా ఒక చిన్న స్పందన నా తరఫు నుంచి. విష్ యూ ఏ హ్యాపీ, హెల్దీ అండ్ ప్రాస్పరస్ రిటైర్మెంట్ లైఫ్. మేము మీ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఫ్యామిలీని, ప్రొఫెషన్ని ఎట్లా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకోవాలో మీ దగ్గర నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఎంత ఎక్స్టెంట్కి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళకి సాయం చేసి వాళ్ళకి అండగా నిలబడతారో నేను చూశాను. తర్వాత మీ ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఒక టీచర్గా, ఒక మంచి టీచర్గా ఎలాంటి గుర్తింపు పొందారో నేను చూశాను మీ దగ్గర నుంచి. సో ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో ఒక కొడుకుగా, ఒక అన్నగా, ఒక భర్తగా, ఒక తండ్రిగా మీరు అన్ని రోల్స్ని మీరు సమర్థవంతంగా పోషించారు. మీరే మాకు రోల్ మోడల్ ఈ విషయంలో. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రొఫెషన్, రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఎంటెక్, పిహెచ్డి, జాబ్, ప్రొఫెసర్, ప్రిన్సిపల్, ఎవ్రీ ఆస్పెక్ట్, ఈవెన్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ బాడీస్లో కూడా మీరు చాలా యాక్టివ్ రోల్
యాక్టివ్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి అందరిలో ఒక మంచి గుర్తింపు తెచ్చుకున్నారు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మాకు ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా ఉంటాయి. సో అండ్ యువర్ సూపర్ యానిమేషన్ రిమెంబరింగ్ ఆల్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ and we are very happy, and especially myself, I am very happy as my husband. I am very happy for your achievements, whatever you achieved in your life, and you are retired from your services but not your enthusiastic words. Once again, I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
Wow, it's a beautiful video. Thank you, Deepak. Now moving on to Shravan sir. When Shravan sir came up with the idea of eCell, Principal sir believed it and supported it a lot. Only with the efforts of Shravan sir, students and support from our Principal sir, we had a platform called eCell which is growing constantly. Shravan sir, we are waiting to listen to your words. Over to you, Shravan sir.
Thank you, Kushala. I met Professor Shyam Sundar Garu on November 16th, 2017. I mentioned the idea of entrepreneurship cell, fondly called eCell, and talked specifically about an idea called financial independence by the age of 30. He asked me many questions on how I'm going to make this happen. I answered the question to the best of my abilities. Obviously, I have no figures to support this idea. I told him that this eCell will be based on values. He was surprised for a second that eCell was going to be based on values. And then he immediately said that he would like to support this idea. Over the last 3 years, I've spoken many times with him about students. Usually our calls start at 11 p.m. India time and end after midnight. eCell was just an idea. I have not implemented this idea before. He knew that this was an untested idea. And there was no overt support of any rich people or successful people or from any people of power. I knew that this idea could be stopped at any instant. I made sure that I was transparent from the beginning and told him step by step on what we were doing. Many of the ideas we tried failed. He knew that we failed, but he did not stop the eCell platform. He continued to support me and the students and the eCell platform. Students asked him for a room for the eCell. He immediately accepted the request. It took few months. The first day, the students had the key in their hands. Their confidence increased. Over the next year, the students spent thousands of hours trying to figure ways to make the room beautiful. They got carpenters, electricians, and masons to give them quotes. Principal Shyam Sundar Garu did not object and appreciated the efforts of the students. Once he saw the students were clearly motivated to make their lives better, their college better, he started supporting the students and the eCell program even more. Whenever students went to his office to get a signature, they did not have to wait outside the office. They went immediately inside, and the principal took time to look into their request and approve almost all the requests. 3 years later, we have a matured eCell program supported by over 20 alumni of OUCT and about 10 friends of eCell. The accomplishments of eCell are many. Students learned website development and created their very own website, www.ecell-ouct.com. Students self-published over 10 books on wide-ranging subjects, which you can see at the same website. One of these books suggested that chemical engineering can be learned with just 100 problems. Another book suggested that one can be financially independent at the age of 30. These are disruptive ideas. Principal Shyam Sundar Garu supported these ideas and in fact spoke fondly about these ideas with many. Students also started working for over 6 companies and are making over 1 lakh rupees per month. Couple of companies have said that the students can join their companies as soon as they get their engineering degree. Students have created a TOP digital library where the students can self-learn. They have created a TOP eCell educational channel. Padma Vibhushan Vednandaji attended our story presentation and was so impressed. And he said he would like to see 1,000 ESOLs in India. We can go on and on. All of these accomplishments happened because of Principal Shyamsundar Garu's support. ESOL members will be future civil officers, scientists, CEOs, and leaders in this world. Their accomplishments will have one thing in common: the support of their beloved Principal Shyamsundar Garu. Thank you, everyone.
Sir,